Hi there, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to go over how to port forward directly to an Artifactory node in Helm Installations. So the use case is to port forward to a pod to allow direct communication from your local machine. This is helpful in cases if you want to run tests by bypassing nginx. So to port forward for a pod, you can run kubectl port forward dash namespace, put the namespace, and then the pod name and the ports. For example, kubectl port forward, artifactory-ha primary 8082, 8082. So that command will find port 8082 on localhost to 8082 of the pod. That way you can run an API directly against a pod, such as the system health API. So I've already port forward here. I ran the command. You can see that it's forwarding requests from localhost to 8082. And if you run system health now, it'll return output from that specific node. As you can see here, the node ID is artifactory-ha primary. Thanks for your time, and I hope this video was helpful.